Every single time I make a video on how to clean, reuse, and recycle your dirty paint thinner, I get a comment from the community saying, why don't you just use coffee filters? You know what? I have in the past, and I hated the results. The idea is you take your coffee filter it through with your dirty paint sludge, so that way it takes out all the sludge, the paint particles, and leaves you with crystal clear paint thinner to use on your future paintings. But you know what? I find it that coffee filters get clogged way too easily and nothing actually filters through, which is why I prefer my method that I taught in one of my last videos. Make sure you go check it out. But wouldn't you know it, in that video right there, someone left me a comment saying, why don't you just use coffee filters after you're all done with your method? And that actually got me thinking, will it actually clean up the thinner even more and make it crystal clear so it's even better than before? You know what? I'm interested. Let's find out. Let's go over our supplies really quick. I've got one mason jar that came with a screw top lid that allows me to set in a coffee filter. Then I have my once cleaned thinner and an empty bucket that I'm going to allow my coffee filter thinner to run and drip into. Now carefully pour your thinner into your mason jar. Now take your coffee filter and put it on top of your mason jar. Make sure to leave it a little loose and then take your screw top and start screwing it down to the mason jar so it's nice and secure so no liquid will fall out through the sides. Once everything's secure and looks good, all we have to do is flip it upside down and let gravity do the rest of the work. As you see, the liquid will start to come through the filter, but the thing I don't like about this is it starts to be a very slow drip. So you know what? I don't got time for this. I'm gonna jerry rig something up. With the assistance of a stool and an alligator clamp, I can now clamp my mason jar right above my bucket and allow it to gravity feed down into my bucket, and all I have to do is just play the waiting game. This might take a while, so I think we're gonna need a time lapse. Wow, that took a lot longer than I thought. Let's take a look at what our coffee filter was able to grab. You know what? I'm actually a little surprised at the fact that it was able to grab the smaller and finer particulates. It actually grabbed like the pigment dust out of the thinner. But the real test is, did it really make a big difference to our thinner? Let's take a look. I'm gonna pour it here into my little beaker and see how it compares to my other thinner that I only refined once. You know, it actually is a little more of a light pale hue. A little hard to see here on camera, a little bit easier with my eye, but it is slightly lighter. Not by much, but it is. But you know what? I would say the change is actually negligible and very minimal at most. Well, coffee filters do work. I think it's more of a myth busting kind of thing. It took more than 2 hours to actually have my used paint thinner feed through the coffee filters into my cleaning bucket. And you know what? That's fine and all if I can just set it and forget it, but it's actually exposing more vapor to the air for a longer amount of time. And if you're in the studio or a small space and you don't have good cross ventilation or open windows, it's actually extremely unhealthy for you. So I would say don't use coffee filters and use my method. It'll change, clean, reuse, and recycle your thinner within less than 5 minutes. It's such a good video, I'm gonna put it over to my side. And I've got another video coming out. Now that I've played around with thinner and I've spilled it a couple of times, me on my clothes, I'm gonna make a video on what to do if that happens to you, so that way you're safe, because I want you painting for a long time. I mean, I need the watch time and click-throughs after all. A little selfish, but who cares? I still love you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the videos over to my side. Take care, and of course, peace.